Hello again, everybody. This is Aaron, your fire chick driver. I had a call yesterday that I have a camera in my car, and I just wanted to share it with you all and see what your thoughts are on it. Um, I'll admit that I was not in a very good mood. I had a little bit of a migraine going, and I had to wait on this guy for a little while. It was like 3.5 minutes, but I had to wait on him. He wasn't ready to go when I got there. And when he gets in to the car, I addressed him, hello or something, and he, gave me no response as far as addressing me. And okay, no big deal. And then he made a suggestion. He said, "Hey, you may want to turn around and go the other because it's kind of back the other direction," something to that effect. And I was already facing the east, and the ride was going to be going like to the north and then back to the west a little bit, as I saw it. But I was like, the light was like right there where I'm going to turn left onto a major street to go north towards his direction. I just was just instead of making any pulling in somebody's driveway and you turning and going back the other direction, I just felt it was easier just to go ahead and go straight, turn left at this light, and go on up to his spot. Well, he was upset that I wasn't turning around and just started kind of lecturing me about how I needed to drive, that I needed to do what he wanted me to do, and yada yada. But just watch this video, see what you think, leave your comments. I mean, I felt like I was doing okay. I mean, it wasn't like I was going a whole mile or two out of the way or something. I was going like 100 feet back to the east and then taking a major street towards his destination. Would you guys have put up with this? Would you have just gone ahead and turned around? Would this have made you upset? Would you just blow it off? I mean, like I said, I wasn't in a very good mood, and I have taken directions from people that when they say, hey, you might want to turn this way or that way because of whatever. And but in this instance, it didn't seem necessary to save. Maybe it would have saved 10 seconds off the ride. I don't know, but anyway, take a look at this and let me know in the comments what you think. Hi there.
I want to do a U-turn. Your destination is back the other way.
That's all right, we'll get there.
Let's do a U-turn. Pull up and go back the other way.
I'll just follow the map. That's all right.
Well, I know where I'm going, so.
I have no doubt that you do, sir.
Turn left on South
So you're not
Main.
I'm going to turn left here. Is that okay? Do you want me to take you back? I can take you
just
back
want you to
if you're
follow
not
my
happy with my driving.
I could just ask you to follow my directions. There ain't nothing but.
Okay, I'll take you back, sir.
Why would you take me back instead of just taking you to my destination? You don't accept
I'll just
requests?
take you back, sir.
You don't accept requests?
I'll take you back. It's all right.
Because I asked for a request?
Sir, because I'm driving. If you want to drive,
Okay,
then,
but I've still got the option to ask for a request. That's my ride. I pay for the ride.
I understand that. I'm just following the directions on the Uber app is all I'm doing.
Okay, but you should follow your driver's ride to passenger's request, man.
Sir, please get out of my car.
You want me to fuck you?
Thank you. All right, so there it is. As you can see, I just decided to turn around and take the guy back. I just wasn't in the mood. I thought I should be able to drive the car as I saw fit and take the route that seemed the most appropriate and safest. And so that's what I did. I turned around, I took him back, and I selected rider behavior and chose to cancel the ride. As you can see, as he gives me the FU and kind of slams the door, he was not happy. Who knows? Maybe he was in a bad mood yesterday, like I was. I don't know. But let me know your thoughts. What would you do? Have you had similar circumstances? What did you do under your, events? Did you continue with the ride? Did you just drop them off, along the curb somewhere, let me know. I'd like to hear from you guys. But please don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate all of you, and be safe out there. Thank you. Bye bye.